Welcome to the channel. We're going to start with the alternate unilateral sumo squat. I am using a machine here, but you can use a stool, a chair, a sofa. Just make sure that you are doing it right, that your leg is not too high or too low. We really want to target the right muscles. The supporting leg foot is turned outwardly, so that way I am targeting my thigh on that leg. And the leg that is up is working on the hamstring. So we want to make sure that we are really feeling it in those two areas, and we're going to reach with the dumbbell towards the ankle. Make sure that you bring the leg slowly and you release tension every time. Then we do the other side. Our next one is the unilateral squat, which means that we are not turning those toes outwardly too much, just a little bit, but we are speeding it up. That means that we are able to add a couple more repetitions if you're able, and we are bringing the dumbbell down. I like to get my hand out and back, so that way I am able to keep a good balance and alignment, and I'm not hinging at my waist. I don't like to bring the torso down, so I don't feel any pressure on my lower back. All the pressure is on the thighs and hamstrings. Okay, come down slowly. Then we come in to do our third one, which is the dumbbell unilateral. Good morning. I really like this one because I feel everything in my back leg. I feel my calves, and I feel even the glutes get involved a little bit here. Just make sure that you feel supported. The back leg can be straight as well, but if you don't feel enough support, you can bend the back leg slightly, so that way you can focus on that forward leg that is doing all the hard work. Remember to breathe in your way down and exhale in your way up. Try to keep a rhythm of breathing. Your breathing is your best friend when you're working out. Remember that. If you need to adjust and pause for a few seconds, do that and alternate. Now our last one is the dumbbell sumo squat. That one really focus on the thighs if you're doing it correctly. We are not going to be sticking out the tailbone too much. We're going to try to keep our spine straight, so that way we can really feel it on the thighs. If we are bending forward, then we're going to be targeting the glutes. And today, no glute workout. Remember, the doctor said so. And when you feel the muscle overload, try to pause for a second. When you feel the muscles contracting, try to stay there for a couple of seconds, okay? And another important thing, keep the alignment of your knees.